Hydrogen fuel cell vehicle technology is the future of cars. Technological revolution, solar, wind, and hydropower generation. Energy storage via aqueous hydrogen. Direct current is supplied to the electrolytic cell. The anode and cathode are separated by a proton exchange membrane. A chemical reaction occurs to produce hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen fuel cells combine hydrogen and oxygen. Supply the anode and cathode respectively. Electric current is formed through chemical reactions. The first hydrogen bicycle and hydrogen motorcycle in Beijing. All are equipped with home hydrogen generators. A cup of water can generate electricity twice, and it can clean 40 kilometers. Hydrogen drones have high energy density, long endurance and fast hydrogenation. Zero pollution. Online courses include hydrogen fuel cells, hydrogen supply systems, oxygen supply system, hydrogen vehicle power system, hydrogen drone power system, etc. There are 49 courses in total, with 7 days of offline learning. Complete the disassembly of hydrogen fuel cells and electrolyzers. Inspection system inspection. 22 projects including hydrogen vehicle power system diagnosis. Practical operations.